Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you choose English language in the Duolingo app and basically learn English using the English language itself, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you how to do that. Follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first we need to get something out of the way. To face no problems in the Duolingo app, go ahead and first open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, to make sure we have the Duolingo application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, go ahead and open Duolingo. It should look like this. Go ahead and skip through these first steps. You can tap on Get Started if you don't have an account, and just skip through all of these steps real quick. And this is the step where you choose the language you want to learn. If you want to learn English, you can just go ahead and keep scrolling right here in these languages. It's gonna be a long list. It could have been really useful if Duolingo included a search option here. Anyways, you keep scrolling and you won't find English here if you have the English app or if you have the app in English itself. Tap on More in the bottom, and now you can start finding the American flag next to English language, but it is in different languages. So basically from here, if you want to learn English, you cannot do that unless the app itself is in a different language. So let's say I'm gonna choose this English right here. As you can see, once I tap on it, then I tap on continue, it will say that I must change the app interface to French in order for me to be able to learn English. So basically you must learn English using a different language or your mother tongue language to learn English in Duolingo. And that's basically about this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.